everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today we are at advent number 18. I had to think for a moment then. How are you all doing anyway? It's a dull, miserable day here. And so yesterday we had that lovely teal colour. So what are we on today? Let me see if I can find 18. Woohoo! I found it, guys. I found it. So we've got a little present today. And I like, what colour would you call oatmeal colour? So let's get into the bag and see what we've got. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it, guys. I can't hide the excitement any longer. And I've got myself in a bit of a tangle here. Let's see. There we go. Let me see. Ooh. Ooh. Mmm. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh. That's really nice, and it's kind of really nice, isn't it? So that was that's today's. So this is yesterday's. I think they'll go really nice together, don't you? And let's find the other days. What's the day before's? No, that's 16th we want, don't we? So kind of, you can see. So this was the 16th. This was the 17th. And this is today's, and you can see how they'll look really nice together. What do you think? So I wonder what colour we'll get tomorrow, guys. I wonder. So what are your plans for today? It's Saturday, and I've already spoken to Rick, and yes, so I don't know whether he's coming home today or not, but hey ho, please say prayers and that he comes home today, because I need my Rick. I need him home. I need him home so I can go to sleep. I'm not sleeping well, guys. I must admit, I'm not sleeping well. But never mind. But he seems a lot perkier today than yesterday. Tummy's still a little sore. Well, it will be after being cut open. But hey. So that's all it from me for today for advent number 18. And I'll see you the same place. Maybe the same time, it all depends, tomorrow to see what we will get for day 19. Eee! Not long, guys. A week today, and it's Christmas. Can you believe it? Where's December gone, guys? Anyway, I'm going to love you, leave you, take care, stay safe. More importantly, guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.